Coinbase Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the Coinbase Wallet, breaking down its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks so you can decide if it's the right fit for your crypto needs. Links to the products and resources mentioned in this review are provided in the description below. Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody wallet, meaning you have full control over your private keys and digital assets. This is a significant advantage for those who prioritize security and privacy, as you're not relying on a third party to manage your funds. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of ERC20 tokens, making it versatile for users with diverse portfolios. One of the standout features of Coinbase Wallet is its integration with decentralized applications, dApps. With just a few taps, you can connect to DeFi platforms, decentralized exchanges, and NFT marketplaces, all within the wallet interface. This makes it an excellent choice for users who are active in the DeFi space or those interested in exploring the growing world of decentralized finance and digital art. Coinbase Wallet also supports the storing and viewing of NFTs, providing a streamlined way to manage your digital collectibles. For security, the wallet includes biometric authentication, a secure enclave for private keys, and the option to back up your wallet on Google Drive or iCloud, offering a balance between convenience and safety. This wallet is particularly well suited for those who are already in the Coinbase ecosystem, as it easily integrates with Coinbase's main exchange app. However, it's important to note that Coinbase Wallet is separate from the exchange, so even if Coinbase were to experience issues, your assets within the wallet would remain secure. While Coinbase Wallet is a powerful tool, it's not without its limitations. It's primarily designed for mobile use, which might be a drawback for users who prefer desktop-based wallet solutions. Additionally, although it offers extensive support for various tokens, the absence of certain features like hardware wallet integration might be a consideration for those with more advanced security needs. In conclusion, Coinbase Wallet is an excellent choice for crypto users who value security, control, and ease of access to the decentralized ecosystem. Its seamless integration with dApps, support for a wide range of digital assets, and strong security features make it a top pick for both beginners and experienced users. However, if you require advanced features like hardware wallet support, you might need to explore additional options. Make sure to check the links in the description for more details and resources to help you make an informed decision.